It looks like this bee is flying, but it's actually just science. You'll need a paperclip, fishing line, and a flying bug cut out of tissue paper. First, cut a length of fishing line and tie one end securely to a paperclip. Next, take 2 sheets of tissue paper, layer them, and then fold them in half. Now draw half the shape of your bug along the folded edge. Keeping it folded, cut out your shape so when it's unfolded you've got a perfectly symmetrical bug. Now you can decorate the front of your bug however you'd like. Make sure to place a scrap sheet underneath since marker tends to bleed through. Once your design is ready, apply glue to the back layer of the bug. Carefully sandwich the paperclip between the 2 layers, positioning it as near to the bug's head as you can. And make sure the fishing line is coming out from the bottom. You can also try making different bug variations. Tape the other end of the fishing line down securely, and here's where it gets fun. Hold a magnet over your bug and watch what happens. 2 forces are at play here, gravity pulling it down and magnetism pulling it up, and your kiddo gets to see which one wins. Now try switching it up. Longer string, different bug, what changes and what stays the same. And don't forget to ask your kiddo what they think will happen before you test it. That's how little scientists start thinking big.